Hello, hello. I believe we are sharing my screen. Good evening. It's like almost 2 in the morning, but I'm just up late getting some stuff done. I wanted to share with y'all how I'm gonna edit my Scentsy Club because I got this email about how my next Scentsy Club I get every 3 months. I get it to come every 3 months. It's gonna be shipping soon, so quick minute to say hi, baby. That's Baymax. He's always watching. I'm just kidding. So this is a order summary of what I've got in my club now, and so then down here it tells you the last day to edit. So today's the 1st, and now I'm gonna edit before the 3rd, so I can make sure that I can get everything in there that I want. So I'm gonna go to my Scentsy Club, and I showed this to y'all so that you can like learn how easy it is. I treat Scentsy Club like my insurance policy. I keep certain wax bars in there that I can't live without because of the always get my bar perk. Right here, like it says right here, I could be the same, like the person buying one single graham cracker crunch Scentsy bar 10 years from now, and they're still going to be making it for me. So that's how you can lock it in. And then if you don't want it anymore, you just take it out. There's no fees, no penalties. You cancel when you want. And now there's a new rewards program. So I can't take advantage of that because I'm a consultant, but that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But if you want to start Scentsy Club, this is a pretty awesome perk. And of course, you get discounts, and you can get half-price items. And yeah, so let's log into my edit my subscription and then log in. Okay, so I don't have a monthly, bi-monthly. Sorry, I'm shaking my laptop so much. Let's look at my quarterly. Excuse me. Water break. Okay, so in here we had Bring Back My Bar in January, and we're about to have another one in June. So I discovered some new favorites in January, thankfully. So I've got a lot of those in here that I love and can't live without. Let me see if I can get something. I'm holding my laptop and it's very uncomfortable. There we go. Okay. So I've got Bourbon Blossom. I'm keeping that. So this little symbol right here means that it is discontinued. You will continue to receive this item only as long as it stays in your Scentsy Club subscription. The quantity may not be increased. So if you're like obsessed with something and you put 6 bars in there to get like 6 bars every 3 months, you cannot go above that, but you can lower it. And then let's say you get 1 bar. So if I wanted more of this scent, I would have to transition it to, actually I don't know. Oh, I did want to take that out. Okay. Ooh. I always forget that my address is there and I can't show that. But yeah, like 1, I'm set with 1, and that's fine. I've got enough in here that like I can keep up with and rotate pretty frequently. So let's see, Hendrix I like a lot. It's got patchouli in it, which is kind of a rare scent note for us. Not a lot of Scentsy stuff has patchouli in it, but this one does. I like it. Southern Evening was like a secret powerhouse, and we all loved it. My youngest brother Garrett, he's very vocal. I talk about him a lot, but he was like, we need that one again, Southern Evening. So I was like, okay, I'll put it in club. And the World Traveler, that one was so good. It lasted and lasted. I can't wait to get another bar. It's got like a blackberry note in it, I think. Scent note, it's really good. Boho's my favorite scent for my bedroom. I love it. Pink Haze is a powerhouse, and it's so sweet and like juvenile and like just happy smelling. Vitamin Relax is so good. Vitamin Unwind. Blueberry Burst I wanted to take out. I've heard some things that like it's not really that good, so I'm just taking it out. The Harry Potter collection. This will be a always keep my bar in a couple of hours, because like they're in the middle of changing over the website from April to May. So I've got this in here locked in. I love the Hufflepuff and the Slytherin. The Ravenclaw and Gryffindor, not my thing. I wanted to like them, but I couldn't. Summer Moonlight, it's currently in the catalog, so this is not an always keep my bar. I just sometimes add current things to my Scentsy Club because it saves on shipping. Like, if I know I want that, I'll just put it in my Scentsy Club when I know that a club is coming, and I'll get it. So, not everything has to be discontinued, if that makes sense. And then, because I have an order that's over $60, I get a half price credit. So I chose the whiff box. If you have seen anything that I've posted, the whiff box for May is going to include something from Star Wars. So I'm getting it for $15, and I know it's going to be valued at like $45. I love saving money. I'll unbox that when it gets here, don't worry. Ariel Under the Sea recently came back. I haven't smelled it yet, so I put it in club. Green Scentsy Bar, we love it. The whole family loves it, from the Rainbow Collection. Star Wars, Dark Side and Light Side, I haven't smelled before, but it's a licensed wax bar, just like the other Little Mermaid. This is what I like to do if I don't want to, like, I haven't been doing a lot of individual orders for myself, so I'll just put it in Scentsy Club, and then if I like it, I have it locked in. If I don't like these scents, then I'll just come back and take them out, and it's not a big deal. But I don't have to stress about getting it in an individual order. Like, I recently got my air purifier delivered. I could have put that wax with that order, this wax with that order, but then, like, if I liked it and I forgot to put it in club and it discontinued again, I'd be sad. So when it comes to stuff like this, especially licensed stuff I haven't smelled before, I just put it in there and I get one bar to try, and sometimes I take it out, just like that Blueberry Burst from the Easter collection up there that I deleted a little bit ago. I've just seen other consultants review it and say that it's not really it doesn't give what it should be giving, you know. And then the Little Mermaid, Kiss the Girl. And right here, you can't click on the scent descriptions, but when you're adding items to the cart, you can. So I've already read those, and they sound good. Bonfire Beach is also a current catalog item. I love it. It's woodsy, but also a little sweet. It's got like a little bit of marshmallow smell in it. It's really good. Pink Cotton, I've recently become obsessed with, and I got it in laundry, and I think I'm gonna end up getting it in everything, because Pink Cotton I didn't think I liked, but it smells so good. It's got strawberry, and then it smells like laundry. Strawberry laundry. That doesn't make sense when you say it like that, but it smells so good. And I've also kind of been getting into lavender cotton smell, so I think I'm gonna do Pink Cotton in this one, and then in my next club I'll switch that one for lavender cotton, because they're not discontinued. They're current wax scents. Sugared Strawberry, I haven't given that one a chance yet, and it's also in the catalog, so I added it here since I knew this order was coming. Here's the thing. I will edit this freaking Scentsy Club like at least 4 times in between shipments, because I'm like, oh, I want to add that and that, and it's, you know, fully customizable. I can change it as much as I want and take stuff out. The orange Scentsy bar and the red Scentsy bar from the Rainbows collection, Chase Rainbows, got that secured in there. Yellow, of course. Yellow is so good. Ruby Nectarine is the current scent of the month for April. Well, I guess it's May now, but I didn't try it at all during the months to smell, so I put it in there to see if I liked it. Excuse me. Okay. And then you can see here, item retail, my total discount, because as soon as your order hits $30, you'll unlock 10% discount. So on everything. And then once you hit 60, you get one half price item. So you can really get some value in here. This is kind of like partying, but without having to get other people to order from your link. this is what I do. This is what I like. Of course, I still host my own Scentsy parties, but still, I like this for all my wax stuff. And then Scentsy parties are really good for getting your warmers and your purifiers and diffusers, things that aren't able to be put into Scentsy Club. So Scentsy Club is only for the stuff that runs out. Light bulbs, air purifier, replacement filters, wax, oils, body care, laundry care, everything like that. So, excuse me, I've got a tickle in my throat. And then it's got an estimated shipping and then pre-tax. Yeah. So the reason I wanted to show you this is because I need to add cotton cleanups because I ran out and it's not been fun. It's not awful. We got some really mega jumbo balls that are like jumbo cotton balls that are like this big, and they work pretty well as to clean up the wax, but I really like the cotton cleanups. They're so much easier. So that's what I forgot to add, and I'm doing that now so I can show you guys how to do it. So you get in here, and I'm gonna stock up because I need them three. I need 3 packs. Okay, add more products. Let's see if there's anything else I want to add. Yeah, because each pack of cotton cleanups has 25, and I go through them. I use them in all the warmers. For me, they do end up cleaning out like 2 warmers at a time, so they hold a lot of wax with that much cotton right there. But again, we have a lot of warmers. Let's see. We got honey. Oh my gosh, no, we call it honey because we edit their names in the Alexa app, and we have them plugged into smart plugs. So we like nickname all of our warmers so that we can tell Alexa to turn it on. But anyways, we have the honey pot warmer from the Winnie the Pooh collection in Garrett's room. Cam has Laurel, which was a clearance warmer I got a couple months ago. The bathroom has Flaunt Your Feathers, the front bathroom. I have 2, 3, 4 warmers in my bedroom, but one of them I don't plug in. It's just there for memories. And then 2 of them I don't put wax in. So I only put wax in 1. Sometimes I put wax in all 3 because I'm crazy. But I mainly put wax in 1. So it's 4 warmers that get used often. We've got one in the kitchen, the dining room area, the living room, parents' bedroom, parents' bathroom. So we have 9 warmers. So we go through some cotton cleanups, and they're super helpful. Makes everything go faster. Let's see. Fragrance flower, car bar clips. Are there any oils I want? Because I've been like diffusing the same stuff. Maybe I should. I smelled. Which one? This one? Watermelon red berries, and it was really good. Oh, go back. No. I clicked it. I didn't mean to. But I don't know if I want it the whole thing. Orange, strawberry, melon, maybe. Cucumber, I don't know. I have plenty of laundry stuff. I'm stocked up on that. Got body wash. I have a ton of Scentsy soak, if you didn't know. I've got 1, 2, 3 still, I think. 4 bags of Scentsy soak. Super good. Sugar scrub. I don't like sugar scrubs in general. I never use them. We are running low on hand soap. So, these are the new sizes of bottles, which is great. The other ones were smaller, and then they upgraded the size, and then the price had to go up a couple dollars to match the increased quantity of soap. So, let's see. Okay, I've had coconut daiquiri. It's okay. A lot of people like that scent, but I don't really. Not that much. I'm thinking make a splash. Yeah. I like Make a Splash. Alright, go back. The internet's being slow. Internet, come on. Should put the Jeopardy theme song right here. Let's see. I doubt anybody's watching, which is fine. Okay. Let's go to the bag then. Maybe the cart. Okay, here we go. So it's updated. I'm pretty sure this is all I'm gonna add. Because our hand soap is just so good. I love it. I'm excited for the Star Wars scents. I've never smelled them, but a lot of people rave about them. And apparently they're really good mixed together. So I'm gonna try them individually, and then together. Yeah. And then all you do when you get everything updated is just click update subscription. And then on the 3rd is when I won't be able to make any more edits. So if I think in the next... Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm going to edit it again because the summer collection wax is coming out in a couple hours. Because it's now May 1st. And so about 3 a.m. is when everything switches over. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the 4 new wax scents from the summer collection into here. So that if I like them, I've got them locked in. I'm so excited. Because I watched the consultant video tonight and they were raving about the new scents. Let's see if I can show you guys. Oh, yeah, it's being transitioned right now. Let's see. Let me go to my drive. I have it. This is the PDF. Okay, so we've got Feel and Punchy, Peachy and Palm Trees, Kukui, and Coconut, which is an interesting word. Cucumber, Cactus Water. So this is the stuff that's coming out, and I'm going to drop all 4 of those in my Scentsy Club. And we've got, like, laundry stuff if you want new laundry scents, cleaning stuff, hand soap. I might change the hand soap. I just put my Scentsy Club to one of these. Or both. Yeah. Because, like, why would I buy this stuff on a separate order when I can put it in my Scentsy Club and get 10% off? And it's included with the shipping. And, of course, I can't, like, lock in the soaps and stuff, but the wax bars I can lock in with the Always Get My Bar. And the oils look so interesting. Beach berry smoothie, calamansi and coconut, and jasmine and coco bolo. This is so interesting. I don't know like half of these words. Yeah, I love the hand cream. I might get that. I have a problem, but it's not like really a problem. It's just a great admiration. I'm a collector, not an addict. That's what I say about my wax. Okay, well, I'm excited. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna pop off here now that I've hung out with you guys and showed you my update for my club. If you want to get your club started, let me know. It's pretty easy, but I can help walk you through it if you want. And yeah, so let's get you your fragrances on your schedule as often as you want, and for discounts, consistent discounts. Okay, yeah, happy May. Okay, bye guys.